1, 2, 3.
Hello, starfish here.
Holy mackerel, that's a long jump. Did you see what's out here?
Got one, finally.
We saw at least one bison. There's a bear.
What is that?
We're in Kansas City, Kansas, and it's Miles' birthday. This is July the 23rd. He's turned 7 years old today.
This summer I'll be by your side. A wonder that you can't describe. How long will you wait for me?
This looks really realistic. I wonder if they're actually brown. But there's cracks in it. There's cracks in it. George Washington's
Right up his nose.
You have a perfect. We can see his boogers. You have a perfect view of his head. Take a picture of George Washington, because that's a perfect view, right, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Now it's really far. I felt the tingle in my heart. The sun has set, the stars will appear. In many ways, it's great up here.
Take a picture of Palmer. Washington.
Good? Yeah.
George Washington has
I filmed y'all. I'm gonna film y'all go down. Clinks, what do y'all think of this?
slippery.
Cutest baby in the world. The cutest baby. Oh, the background. Yeah. The
Badlands.
Everything for me, we still got a chance. So I stole a glance.
I told you not to take a left. God, we should be in Kansas right now where it's flat and everybody's happy.
Pushing them away. This is the whipped cream.
What do you think of these? Are those attractive?
Looks sickening.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sickening sweet. Hey kids, can you put that on mute? I want to show you, on pause. I want to show you something.
Who mysteriously went missing long ago.
What do you think of these?
Are those fake?
No,
They look fake.
they're real.
Are they fake? There's no way they're fake. Those are fake. Those donuts. Wait. Palmer Delphin. Those are my Delphin. Look at Palmer Delphin.
Look at this. They're real.
Those are fake, Grandpa. They're fake.
Does those look good?
Those are
Oh, they
fake.
don't handle it. this one to show.
They're fake, Grandpa.
They're not
They're
fake.
fake. Those are fake.
They're real.
No,
I
they're
think
fake.
you like them as much as I do, don't
They're
you?
fake.
Oh.
They look like squishy.
I got something important to show you.
Donuts for us only.
Look, no. Are those good looking?
Yeah. Oh, did you get it for my cousin Taylor's wedding?
No.
For us?
For us, I'm not sure when
All
we're
of
gonna.
us?
Yeah, I'm not sure when we'll eat them though. I just thought those look good. Okay, get back to work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I promise they're not fake. Those are real.
Make a promise?
How do you promise? With it? What are you doing? A thumb promise?
Make a promise.
Like this?
No, what's your
Okay.
Lock it. Lock it.
And then your thumbs. I promise. Those are real. They're the prettiest donuts I've ever seen. Little donuts.
Those are fake.
They're real.
No, those are fake.
Ryan, you're getting ready to do the service, huh?
Yep.
Are you, do you like
secret.
like people bugging you when you're?
I do.
Here, let me show you this.
Love
See
it.
what
What are these? Little tiny donuts.
Aren't those pretty?
Those are look like fun toys.
Those are fake.
Right.
That's the stuff right there.
When you read it to me.
What?
It says Christian Global Outreach Ministries. This ordination and credential certifies that
Chase me and check.
Minister Charles Ryan Raymond III has been ordained an independent Christian clergy. This individual is authorized by Christian Global Outreach Ministries to perform any and all Christian religious services, ministerial and evangelical duties.
That's pretty cool.
Conferred 5/16/2022. By the power vested in me by the good Lord, state of Montana, and this card I got online. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kiss your wife.
Ouch! 2-2. That was out.
2-2. What is the celebration? Look at the horse.
Daddy, look at that horse.
Look at it.
It wants to come out.
It wants you want to
Exhausted after the wedding?
I was exhausted after that.
But you guys still went out and played volleyball, I hear.
We did. We
Yeah.
did play volleyball for a little bit until it got dark. Here's there.
So you're signing as a witness? That's cool. Hey Taylor, what's the name of the trail you're going on again?
We are doing Highline Trail today.
The thing where you're on the edge of the mountain, on a ledge, you're walking on. It's been a nice house to stay in. 6 bedrooms and I think about 6 bathrooms. Is that a good view?
It's really cool up there. Like, looking from here, it doesn't look like you should be able to get on it.
You been? What's this waterfall called? I don't know what it's called. I don't either. I'm not sure what it was called.
Look at that. Much more.
But this place is neat looking.
They fell, and like water covered them up, and then more soil.
I hope no one messes it up.
So it's a nest with bird eggs. What are the eggs really? What is?
Yes, so. Oh, can you show me the video of?
We're stopped by the petrified forest. There's a huge crow up there. Grace, was it scary? That trail you took?
It was a little freaky looking down, but
They take mules down that trail. You can do like mule rides.
Wow.
It looks yummy.
In a forest we never seen. We'll be sleeping.
Where you can see it. She made a Christmas ornament.
so it's their version of the grainy.
We stopped to see this elk, but it laid down. The bushes there, we can't see it very good. What'd you think of that, Miles?
It was good.
Well, here comes the ducks in formation. Man,
That's ridiculous. 1, 2, 3. Who wants a cookie?
this is awesome, isn't it, Sarah? Palmer.
Like this monkey is off. Get a bag? Yeah, I'll take it to the bag.
Is that cool?
Here, Adam, come here real quick.
See, look at this one.
I love Arkansas. Smell?
Yeah, of how high it goes, huh? Goes way high.
That's what we call the sandal.
Hey, Grace, what did you think of Old Faithful?
It was cool.
It's pretty good.
It smelled, but it was cool.
This makes the locals called the red spouter. What do you think, Jason? Is it going?
Yes. Oh, it's over. You missed it.
Wait, is
That would be pretty fun.
You saw a picture of Taylor and Mike. Wait, Taylor and Mike Bale.
We're at Yellowstone Park, and here's this blue one. And there's steam coming off it that smells like eggs.
and I said,
You like home.
no, I said, home is the best hotel.
Right, exactly. Hi, Vanna. Hi, Adelie. Hi, Jason. Hey, Grace. Oh, where you sweet baby? And Ellie. Hey, Miles. All right, we'll be on our way here in just a minute. Going back home.